DJ Zinhle is trending again, but this time it's not because of her music. It's for the prices of a Zine Nation Fest VIP packages, which have sparked major debate online. The festival returns on Women's Day, Saturday 9 August 2025 at Nasrec Expo in Johannesburg, following the success of its first edition. Social media went wild after the official Instagram page revealed the 4 VIP packages. The Pepe package at 20,000 rands, Indlovu at 40,000 rands, My Name Is at 60,000 rands, and the Top Tier Umlilo package at 80,000 rands. Each package includes perks like bar tabs, exclusive seating, private parking, and toilets, but many netizens argued the prices were too high, with some calling them people's salaries or daylight robbery. Others defended DJ Zinhle, saying the pricing makes sense for a premium festival experience. Either way, Zine Nation Fest has everyone talking, proving that once again DJ Zinhle knows how to grab the internet's attention. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.